How to schedule messages on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'll show you the quick way to schedule messages on WhatsApp. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select Settings. Scroll to the bottom and locate Help option. Tap on Help. Tap Help Center. Now once it loads, at bottom right corner, select the Contact Us button. Here you need to briefly explain that I am having issues with not being able to schedule messages on my WhatsApp account and I need to be fixed. So you need to contact the WhatsApp in order to unlock this scheduling messages on WhatsApp feature. So if you don't know how to type in, let's type in. Once you have typed in the message, tap on the next button at bottom of the screen. And here you do not need to or you don't need to select any of this option. Simply tap send my question to WhatsApp support. And after certain hours, WhatsApp will help you to fix scheduling messages on WhatsApp problem. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.